Okay, so we're going to talk about sets of numbers and classification. This is the beginning of our official Unit 1. We threw in a couple things right before we started the Unit 1, just to make sure we knew what our brains were doing. Now we're going to talk about sets of numbers and classification. So all the way on to page 11, I put Unit 1. You can color that and decorate that later. So just real quick, write Unit 1, page 11 for me, whatever's next for you. Okay, then I skipped a page, and on page, for me, page 13, I'm going to have classification, and I'm going to put, I just put of numbers. Of numbers. Okay, now, let me show you what I'm trying to draw so you'll understand. So this is the picture that I'm trying to draw, okay? So I'm going to talk about real numbers. There are imaginary numbers, but not in middle school, okay? So real numbers, we have irrational numbers, then we have rational numbers. Notice how those are two different sections, okay? So I'm going to leave those off to the side in my picture. They're going to be a little skinny section. Then everything else that we're going to talk about is a rational number. Then the groups are going to get smaller. We're going to have integers, whole numbers, and natural numbers, or our counting numbers, okay? And so we're going to work through these, and we're going to give definitions to each group, okay? So as I write them down, pause the video so you can write down the words that go with each group as well. So I'm going to try drawing this same picture in my journal. It's going to look terrible, but yours will be great. Okay? So I'm going to use my whole page because I'm not a very good artist. Well, I'm not going to use the whole page. I'll use like most of it. But, so here's my real numbers, okay? Oh yeah, and they're in a box. Oops, see, I'm terrible. We're in a box, right? We're in a box, okay? And it kind of goes like this. And then irrational numbers, I'm just going to put in this skinny little section on the side. And I'm going to turn it sideways. Irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Pause if you need more time. Okay? Then I have this whole group of rational numbers. That N looks like a slide, not an N. Okay? All of these that we're going to put here, these are all rational numbers. Okay? So this circle here is full of integers. Oops, integers. Everything inside this circle is an integer. Even everything in the other circles we're about to put in there. Okay, you've learned this stuff before. Okay, everything inside this circle is a whole number. Everything inside this circle, this weird oval egg looking thing, is called a natural number. Okay? Now, I like some color. You don't have to. So everything inside my green one is also inside my orange one. Okay? Which also happens to be inside my integer. Okay? All of those are rational numbers. And all of those rationals and irrationals are real. Okay? So, some examples you say? You want an example of a rational number? Well, I'll give you that. You're going to get all that. Okay? Let's see here. An irrational, where should we start? Let's start right here. Can you see that? No, not very well. Let me get another one. Hold on. Irrational number. An example, square root of 5 or pi. Here's a definition. Some of these are kind of long. I'm really sorry. I did the best I could. Just pause if you need more time. A real number that can be written as a non-repeating and non-terminating decimal, but not as a fraction. Okay? We'll talk about that in class. Those are weird. We don't do a whole lot with those. Okay? Don't stress out about those. Okay? Rational. And I wanted these to be on the same page. Yes, we'll have to go to a second page. You'll survive. Okay? Rational numbers. So like 3/4 or 0.75 or -5 or 6. Gee, those don't look alike at all. Okay? A real number that can be written as a decimal, including terminating and repeating, a fraction, a ratio, and integers. So that basically says all the categories in all the circles. Okay? So I'm going to turn the page, and I'm going to finish writing these other categories. There's only 3. Don't worry. These are shorter. Okay? Integers. I love integers. You should too. Okay? These are numbers like -5, -3, 0, 6, 10. A positive number, a negative number, and 0. Now notice, no decimals. No decimals or fractions. So the rules keep getting tighter and tighter, okay? So let's see, our next category is whole numbers. Whole numbers. These are counting numbers from 0 to infinity. Okay? So that means no more negatives. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Counting numbers from 0 to infinity, but no negatives. Okay? I know it's getting long, and I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to be fast. Last one. You can do it. Natural numbers. Okay? This one is only 1, 2, 3, 4, ... Counting numbers no 0. Let's make that really obvious. no, 0. Okay? So like first, second, third place. You don't say 0th place, right? Okay? So take a look at this. I hope to see pretty, beautiful pictures, awesome, amazing words. Sorry it took 10 minutes. I'll see you guys tomorrow.